Kevin here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to change the battery in your C6 Corvette key fob, or this will actually be for pretty much any key fob. Basically what you're going to do is the first thing is you're going to take the key out. So you just push the little button there and pull the key out. Then what you're going to do is on the side of it you're going to find there's a little slot. So I don't know if you can see that. There's a little slot right here. I'm using a little flathead screwdriver. I'm going to stick it in. You're going to twist it. Just twist it a little bit all the way down. Just keep moving it down and twisting it. You're just kind of splitting it apart. And that's it. So then once you've done that, put it down, you're going to open it up. You're going to see the battery on one side, the computer board on the other. You're going to pop out the battery. And this is the battery you're going to replace. So just in case you need to know the battery, it's a CR2032 3-volt battery. What you're going to do is you're going to take the new battery, which I don't need to because this battery isn't bad. So you're going to take this, and the positive side is going to go on the positive side in here. And then you're going to slide the battery in. You're going to slide the battery in so it's against the metal part first. That's it. And then you're going to make sure this is in line. You're going to make sure the board's in its place where it should be. And then you're going to leave the board side down, and you're going to line up the little push button. And that's the first part that's going to go in. So you're going to make sure that's lined up and in place. And if you have to, you just push the little tab there. Make sure you got those two in line. Just like that. You want to make sure that's coming through. Make sure it's all lined up nice and neat. And you're just going to start squeezing it together. And then it's all back together. Going to stick the key back in it. And I'm in my garage, so I'll just check to make sure it works. It works because I can see my car behind me. If you want, you can hear it. Now we know the key fob works. Okay, and that's how easy it is to change the battery on your C6 Corvette key fob. Okay, hope that helps you out.